Hello children, our today's topic is light and shadow. The learning objectives of this chapter are classifying objects as luminous and non-luminous objects, grouping objects into transparent, translucent and opaque objects, example and features of each type of the objects, formation of shadows in day, night, dim light, and the conditions of formation of shadows. At daytime, there is enough of light, so we can see objects around us, and the light there is the natural light provided by the main source of light, sun. Can we see objects in the dark? No, we cannot see the objects in the dark without light. When there is light, we can see the objects clearly. Anything that gives out light is called source of light. For example, sun, bulb, torch, candle, etc. Objects which give light on their own can be classified into two types: natural sources and artificial sources. Natural source of light. Objects like sun, stars, firefly, glowworm, etc. give their own light, are natural luminous objects or natural source of light. Whereas artificial source of light, objects like candle, diya, bulb, tube light do not give their own light. Such objects are called as artificial sources of light. We can divide all objects into two categories: luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Now let's discuss about the luminous objects. All objects that give out light are called luminous objects. For example, sun, diya, bulb, torch, candle, etc. Non-luminous objects. Objects that do not give out light are called non-luminous objects. Some examples of non-luminous objects are pencil, football, book, table, chair, etc. Some objects allow light to pass through them, while some do not. Objects are classified as opaque objects, translucent objects, and transparent objects. Objects that do not allow any light to pass through them are called opaque objects. For example, football, battery, pillow, etc. Objects that allow some light to pass through them are called translucent objects. For example, frosted glass, colored plastic bottle, colored balloons, etc. Objects that allow light to pass through them are called transparent objects. For example, clear water, magnifying glass, clear glass, etc. Now let's discuss about the topic shadow. Dark shapes formed due to obstruction of light by opaque and translucent objects are called shadows. Shadow is formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Opaque objects make dark shadow. Translucent object make faint shadow, and transparent object does not make any shadow. Now let's discuss about shadow and its different sizes. If an object is moved closer to the light source, the shadow gets bigger, as you can see in the picture. If an object is moved further away from the light, the shadow gets smaller. At daytime, we can see our shadow on the ground. This is because we block the light of the sun from falling on the ground. Outdoor shadows are longer in the morning and evening. Now let's look at the conditions for the formation of shadows. First is source of light. Second is the object should be opaque. And third is screen on which shadow is formed. Thank you, and I hope you liked the concept and you have understood the concept properly.